Sa team ng Blue Shirts, number 14, drive ball! Buka 14 ng liwanag. Extra pass, the speed. Okay, boundary with the reverse lane. No good by number 39. By Peke. It's very time for the second quarter. Number 25, the lovers. Get that.
Aaron Cargo, bum, 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 3 points. Last 2 minutes.
Maling pagsayaw sa maling tugtugin itong batang Alvarez. Valeriano inside, pahirapang 2 minutes and 20 ang natitirang oras para sa ating first quarter. Number 18, a fake pass set and a jumper by number 25, 2-pointer. Maningning laban sa poblasyon. Susunod para sa ating 25 under, inside jumper, good for 2 points. Okay, number 18, may tangan na bola, sumalampak, easy layup, 2-pointers. De La Cruz na nagladro for team ng liwanag sa ating opening period. Pahirapang pihit for team ng Blue Shirts. No, bata putback, good for 2. Thank you for watching sa ating Facebook Live. And shoutout din po dyan kay Nanay at kay Laki. Jumper for 2, off the window. Ginamitan ng salaming may grado ng liwanag o Puerto Princesa. Good combination. Hindi lang magandang pagkaka-execute pero sariling sikap. 2. Kaya't laging tatandaan, ingat po kayo sa mga gwapong inspector. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time for the opening quarter. Floater shot from the rainbow. Boom! 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 Kuha nitong mga nakakulay blue. Kedi Guzman, natigil. Outside J. Outside J. Bakit? Kay by Nagaran was brought to us by Team Iraanda. Team Captain, good for 2 points. Number 18. May pangatlong pagkakataon pa itong nasa team ng Blue Shirts. Number 14, drive. Bang! Good for 2 points. Ang bata na rejection yung inabot. Number 13, using his monstrosity, good for 2 points, Carminho. Tay ulo na malabaruka, 14 ng liwanag, extra pass, the speed, galing naman noon, 2-pointers. Ganang Puerto Princesa mabuhay. The fake, iwan pati kapitbahay, 2-pointers. 1 minute and 43 seconds to go. Okay, boundary with the reverse lane, no good by number 39, by Peke, jumper by number 35, Limsa. Di numerong galawan, pasok na rin. Di numerong atake mula dito kay Limsa, numero 25 for team ng Iraan. Pero babawian yan, good for 2 points. Papagpagin. 35 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Number 25, the lovers. Get that 2 points by Limsa. Seconds remaining. Tito, extra pass. Limsa wide open. Patay sila doon. 3-4 fouls. Ilamang na po mga kaibigan, 35 against 24 score. Easy layup. Hit na malupit itong numero 39, Valeriano for team na matagiran. Oh! Almost walking on the air. Alanganin na yun, pero nagawa pa ng paraan itong De La Cruz, number 18. Back in the other side, number 14. Babas against 39. Patuloy pong abante na 13 points. Magsiship with a spin. Number 32, the pick and a jumper. 2 points. Barnyan. Lamang itong nasa team ng mga dumayong Tagalusod ng Puerto Princesa, Barangay Liwanag. Kayod Marino, bangga kung bangga, sagasa kung sagasa. 2 points by De La Cruz. Naibag na rabi kada kayo amin mga manang at mga lakay. 3 minutes and 40. Jumper by Limsa. Get good for 2 points. Yung Limsa, medyo matagal-iraan. 3 minutes and 3 seconds to go. Duguran, muling susubok na naman. Duguran for 3. Duguran! Bang! 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 3 points! In the 3 na mga naka-orange jersey, 14 na liwanag, Sibunga. Oh, ganda ng iwan. Inside Kobe, good for 2 points. Basket, score natin 46-31. 15 na nga po yung kalamangan, pero may bagbawi rin agad. Oriel, 2 points. Naman po sa team ng Iraan with 1 minute and 41 seconds to go. Number 19, straight to the basket. Hindi mo basket, put it back. Good for 2 points. Ganun lang ko, Mario. Go. 33 against 48 score. Number 10, easy layup. Basketball count again. 2-pointer. We are now to the last in the final quarter. Fourth in the final quarter was brought to us by Attorney Hilacosta Jr. Nag-iisang kabarangay junior ng ating 3rd district of ating poblasyon, bayan ng Aborlan. Kay binalibagan, harap-harapan, nugod, bata power putback, basketball count, time. 10:48 remaining time for the last in the final quarter. Makitaan ng bola, wide open! Open na open mula kay numero 39. Kinakalas nito mga nasa tropa ng Iraan, mga kaibigan, as we go on for the last in the final quarter. May early strike, 14 liwanag, 2 points, no shot clock down to 8. 7 seconds remaining time on the shot clock. 5 minutes and 23 remaining. In your face, harap-harapan. 4 minutes and 53 seconds remaining. Jumper, Puliante! Maganda din numero 14 para po sa team ng mga taga-Iraan. Pero harap-harapang pupukulan. Wearing jersey number 11 in your face. 25 under up against team Barangay Maningning. Number 18 drives, 2 points by De La Cruz. 5 under po yun at susundan ng ating open category. Aburlan laban sa team ng Prinsesa. Outside jumper, bang, 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 bang. Nimsa for 3 points. Shot clock down to 7. The spin in the jumper, 2 points. Nyanera. 63-50 score, 13 big points by Team Liwanag. The spacer J, that his space is enough to make the 2-pointer. In the Liwanag, 1 minute and 4 seconds remaining. Easy layup, 2-pointers. Liwanag 6-3 Kabarangay Inter-Barangay Basketball Tournament 2025. Number 14 putback, 2 points, Asturias.